Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to find out the square root and cube root of the particular number by using prime factorization method. If you not watched my last video introduction of square roots and cube roots, you watch that video so that you can understand what is square root and what is cube root and in how many ways we can solve the square roots and cube roots. The video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can have better idea about square roots and cube roots. Now we are going to the first question, and the question is find the square root of 9216 by prime factorization method. And here we have to find the square root of the particular given number in prime factorization method. So before going to prime factorization method, you should know what is prime number. Here prime number means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as prime number. And always in the prime factorization method we use prime numbers only. The examples of the prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, etc. we can say here. Now the solution for this question is given number is 9216. Take the prime factors of this 9216. Here we are having 9216 factors we will take. Here if you are having units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can say that number is divisible by 2. So I am taking here 2 as a prime factor. Here 2 how many times? 9. 2 4s are 9. And 1 will be borrowed here. 1 2 is 12. 2 6 are 12 we got. Now 2 how many times 1? 2 zeros are 0. Means here we are having 1. 1 6 is 16. 2 8s are 16 we got. So 2 multiplied with 4608 gives 9216 we can say. Here again units place is 8. So we can take here 2 as a prime factor. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are. Again we are having 4 here. So we can take 2 as a prime factor. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. And 1 is borrowed here. 1 0 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Again here we are having 2. So we can take here 2 as a prime factor. 2 5s are 10. Means here we will have 1. 1 5 is 15. 2 7s are 14. Again we will get here 1. 1 2. 2 6 are 12. We are having here. Again you can take here 2. So 2 2s are 4. 1 you will have here. 1 7 is 17. 2 8s are 16. 1 you will have here. 1 6 is 16. 2 8s are 16. We can say here. Again you take here 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Again we can take 2 here. 2 7s are 2. 2s are. Again you take here 2. 2 3s are 2 6s are. Again you take 2 here. So we are having here 1. 2 1s are 2 and here 1 6 is 8. We are having. And again if you are taking here 18 is there. Here I will take 2. 2 9s are 18. So again this one can be written as 3. 3s are 9 and again 3 1s are 3. So we got the prime factors of 9216 is 2 into 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 3 into 3 we got here. Now to find out the perfect root of 9216, to find out the square root of 9216, we make all the factors as pairs. Here this 2 is one pair and this 2 is one pair, this 2 is one pair, this 2 is one pair, and here is one pair, and this 3 is one pair. Here we are taking the pair of the numbers. These can be written as under root of, for these two 2's I am taking only 1 2, means 2 into, for these two 2's take 1 2 into, for these two 2's 1 2 into, these two 2's 1 2 into, these two 2's 1 2 into, 2 3's 1 2 whole square I am keeping here. Why I am keeping here square root means here we are taking for every two numbers, we are taking here only one number. So we can say here 2 into 2 we are writing as 2 square, and here 2 into 2 as 2 square, and here 2 into 2 as 2 square, here 2 into 2 as 2 square, here 2 into 2 as 2 square, here 3 into 3 as 3 square I wrote here. Now the square and root will get cancelled. Why? Because square and root both are inverse to each other. So what we can say here, what is the answer we are having here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, into 2 into 3 is 6. 4 4s are 16, 16 6 are, we can say 96. Here 96 perfect square is 9216, we can say here. Now let us go for another question, and the question is find the cube root of 1728 by prime factorization method. Previously we find square root by the prime factorization method. Here we have to go with cube root in the prime factorization method. The solution for this question is given 1728. Here prime factorization means always we should take the prime factors. Here we have to find out the cube root of 1728 by using prime factorization method. Let us take the prime factors of 1728. The prime factors of 1728 is, here units place is 8, so the number is divisible by 2. We can say here 2 8s are 16, and we will have here 1 2 means 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 we got. So again units place is 4, so we can divide with 2 this total number. Here 2 is a prime number here, so 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again you are having units place here 2, so we can take here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 1 will be borrowed here, 1 2 is 12, 2 6 are 12. Again we can say here 6 is their units place, so we can take here 2 10s are 20, and here 16, 2 8s are. Here units place is 8, 2 table, 2 5s are, 2 4s are. And again we can say here this units place is 4, so we can take here 2 2s are 4, and here you will have 1 4 is 14, 2 7s are, you can say 14. But here we are having 7 will not go in 2 table, so go for 3 tables. So we can say here 3 9s are 27. So again this 9 will divisible with 3, 3 3s are 9, and again here 3 1s are 3 we got here. Previously we found the square root. So we taken 2 as a pair. Here we are finding a cube root. Cube root means what we have to do? We have to make 3 as one pair in this cube roots. So make every 3 prime factors as one pair. So you can say here 2 into 2 into 2 as one pair. Here 2 into 2 into 2 is one pair. 3 into 3 into 3 is one pair. So what you can say here, cube root means third root of 1728. We got here, you can say third root of 1728 or cube root of 1728. We can say here. So cube root of, how you can write this 1728? For this 3 2's, you take 1 2 into, for this 3 2's, 1 2 into, for this 3 3's, 1 3 whole cube. Why I am keeping here cube means for 3 we are making here pair. 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times. Here also 2 multiplied 3 times. 3 cube, 3 multiplied 3 times. So this cube and this cube root will get cancelled. Why? Because both are inverse to each other. So what is the answer we are having here? 2 into 2 into 3. So we can say 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 is the solution we got here. Here the cube root of 1728 is 12. We can say here. In this way we can find out the square roots and cube roots of a particular number. In the square roots we will make 2 as one pair. Why? Because square means power 2. So we will make it as 2 as one pair. In the cube roots, in the prime factorization method, we make 3 as one pair. Why? Because cube root will have power 3.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.